All right, y'all, what is going on, everybody? This is Hunter. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. If you guys have been watching my channel, specifically on Facebook, you guys will know we are camping down at Camp Jellystone Cincinnati. This is a wicked cool place. I mean, we're talking multiple pools, an award-winning restaurant. You also have one of the pools has a fireplace. Today, they actually had Yogi Bear and Hey Boo Boo hanging out and shooting off a phone cam and with my daughter. It was absolutely crazy. But since the family has taken a nap and I'm incapable of not working, I'm here. I asked the GM, said, hey, can I get the keys to one of your cabins that checked out and do a little tour? So now we're at one called the Mulberry. This is cabin 533 in particular. That is a great shot right there. Actually, I'm gonna try to get a thumbnail if you don't mind. Hey, boo boo. It's a good looking man. That's a good looking unit right there. But I just wanted to show off one of the rentals. I'm not being paid to do this, just so you know, but I'm going to go ahead and put their information down in the description in case you want to rent one of these out. You can see they are landscaped. They have a patio over to either the right or right in front. They're each going to feature a picnic table, propane fireplace, and a grill, which I think is pretty darn snazzy. It's just nice to have that. Now, all their other spots, the other like 300 spots they got here, whatever it might be, you can do wood fire grill. You can even rent RVs here, which is pretty darn cool. But you got a little two-seater right there, so you and Honey Buns can have a coffee, enjoy it. You got a table there. But I just want to show you this cabin, because if you guys are, you know, I posted that I was here, and a lot of people said that they wanted to come, and they wanted to say what's up, but they didn't have an RV. So I was like, you know what, let's just go ahead and show off a rental. And since I'm kind of, you know, one thing a lot of you guys don't know, life's getting pretty crazy for us. Social media is, I don't want to get emotional. Social media is really changing our life. By the way, it's over 3 feet tall. I'm about to sign probably 3 of the largest contracts of my entire life at one moment, and it's becoming overwhelming. So we wanted to take about a week to our family just to kind of hang out. Jeez, oh Pete, I'm becoming a blubbering fool here. I want to take a little bit of time, but since they're napping, I wanted to record this for you because, I don't know. I love each and every one of you guys on my channel. You guys have done a lot of stuff for my family. But you got windows over here, windows over there. You have a sofa directly across from the TV, so you can see on the rainy days, you'll still be all right. I mean, you got moving and grooving room for days, baby. 2 little fancy looking wood stools right there. I mean, come on now, check those bad boys out. And then, babe, if you're watching, I love you. Look at how fancy those are. It's real nice. I'll show you, well, never mind. So right into here, you have more storage than you could possibly ever need, unless you're renting this place out for like, you know, like 2 weeks or so, I would say. And they put all their towels and everything in a tote, which I thought was kind of interesting. It's kind of cool. I don't know if that's for checking in or for checking out. You got your stainless steel bowl with the high-rise faucet. Hitting those dishes from all angles. Now, one other thing that I'm thinking about doing while you check out the 5-top burner and the microwave with potato mode, I'm thinking about setting up kind of like a camping weekend. You guys know I got the 38 RV Hunter now. I'm out and about. You're going to see a lot of camping content, a lot of part reviews. I've actually turned down quite a bit of money from different companies that are trying to pay me for reviews because I'll accept some of them, but I'm only wanting to do things that I really love that provide value to you. I don't think it's right to always take a paycheck to tour something. I'm definitely not going to tour something I don't like, but I don't know where I was going. Boom, baby! But yeah, so you're going to see a lot of different part reviews. The campers are going to start really picking up here soon. The 2027s are coming up. But since I am taking a little leave of absence for a little bit, I figured I'll show you this. I mean, look at that. I probably wouldn't be taking a bath in that since it's a rental, but it looks nice. Water pressure's pretty good at my site too. That's probably one of the things I don't like though. I feel like this needs to be down there because I feel like if I was... That's a good highlight. Good highlight reel going on for those folks. But all right, guys, just want to show you this rental. Again, this campsite 533 down here at Camp Jellystone. My name is Hunter. You guys have a wonderful day. See ya.